Alright, so what if I told you I just found the perfect tool to help you send up to 10,000 bulk emails without your emails going over to the spam folder? So with this tool that I will expose you to soon, you can have sending up to 10,000 personalized emails straight from your Gmail account without any technical campaign tools and zero spam filters. So you are assured that all your emails are landing directly in the inbox folder of your recipient. So now let's talk about MailSuite, the best bulk email sending tool. So MailSuite here is an extension that can be used to send up to 10,000 emails every single day directly to our recipient. And right here, you can feel that over 2 million users are actively using MailSuite app. So if you want to get started with sending bulk emails, then this is one of the best tools that you can consider using for your business. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this tool and also how to use it right now to start sending up to 10,000 bulk emails every single day off for yourself. Now quickly, let's go over and install the extension into our computer, because MailSuite is not a software, it's an extension. So it means that this can be installed directly from the web store into our computer. So once you've been able to install the tool into your computer, the next thing we have to do right now is we just have to go in and sign in with the email address that we wish to continue with. And I need you to know something, okay? The email address you are going to be making use of to sign up on MailSuite is the same email address you are going to be making use of to start sending your bulk email. So whenever you want to send bulk emails, this is the email address it's going to be sending from. So you want to be very, very careful and strategic in choosing the email address you are wanting to use on MailSuite. So once you've been able to sign in into your MailSuite account, you can see that right here we have the dashboard opened for us already. So clicking on the extension actually got our dashboard opened for us. So you can see right here on our dashboard, we have all the amazing features and other tools from MailSuite. So MailSuite is not just only a bulk email sending tool, it can also be used for so many other features. So if you care to, you can take your time to go through every of those tools right here on MailSuite and choose which of these other tools you can be using alongside on MailSuite. So for me now, quickly, I just want to show you guys how to use or send your first campaign here on MailSuite. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send my first campaign. Very easy for me, right? So what I'm going to do next is you can see that I have to choose the email list that I want to send my emails to. So choosing your email list is something you have to do first right here on MailSuite. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose my my email list because I actually have it stored up on my Google Drive. So you want to also make sure that your email list is stored up on the Google Drive for easy access. That is actually how MailSuite gets to choose your email list. They don't choose email list directly from your computer browser, from your computer file manager. No, you have to stick it up on your Google Drive. So once you've been able to choose that, then you want to go ahead and write your email swipe. So for me, quickly, I'm just going to put this right now because I want to give a demo on how it all works. So you can see I have my email swipe ready, and as well, I can do also personalize my email by adding either their first name or their last name or their email address. So you can also personalize your email swipe from the field tab right here on MailSuite. So once you've been able to personalize your email and you are ready to go, you can also click right here and you can choose some other interesting features to use on MailSuite. So probably you want to track your emails. You want to see how your emails are performing. Okay, you can go well to choose every of the options you have right here and some of the other interesting features that are available right here on MailSuite. And as well, guys, if you decide to schedule your campaign, so let's say you want to schedule your campaign, you don't want to send your emails almost immediately. Maybe you are wanting to send it for a particular day and for a particular time. You can do that while here on MailSuite. So MailSuite is going to have you, all right, you can be permitted to schedule your email campaigns. And this is something many other tools out there don't do. So you can schedule your campaigns. So your campaigns can go in 3 days after, 2 days after, or probably a week after, and the exact time you want it to go out. So schedule your campaign if you want to. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use the same immediately because I want my campaign to go out live immediately. So once I've done that, you can see that we have our email sent already. You can see how beautiful the MailSuite app works. Very easy and very, very understandable. You don't have to stress yourself. All you have to do is to install the tool, choose your email list, write your email swipes, and boom, send out your emails and you are good to go. So it's not technical. Not technical skills are required for you to be able to use MailSuite. So you can also do things like tracking your email campaigns. So once you've been able to send your email campaigns, you can do well to track them. So you want to track your email campaigns to see if the open rate are coming in, if you're having clicks and all like that. All of these things can be done right here on MailSuite. So you want to go ahead and use MailSuite to start sending personalized bulk emails every single day. Like I told you that here on the website, you can see that we can send up to 10,000 emails without any restrictions. So if you're happy with this, smash this video. All right, give me a like, okay? Smash the like button of this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because I'm going to bring out more content like this very, very often here on my channel. To check out my MailSuite pricing plans if you are wanting to go pro, okay, and avoid probably any restrictions whatsoever. The pricing plan here, you can see what we have here, right here on the pricing plan, and as well, you can decide to use the tool for free. So making use of the tool for free would actually give you some restrictions, but if you don't want any restrictions, you can go for a paid plan. So very easy and very simple. So check out MailSuite today and start sending effortless bulk email campaigns. And I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye.